Is a humidifier bacteria killer safe to use around children and pets?
Hey there, welcome to our video discussion on whether a humidifier bacteria killer is safe to use around children and pets. In this video, we'll explore the safety considerations and provide you with some important information to help you make an informed decision. So let's dive right in.
Understanding humidifiers and bacteria killers.
Before we discuss the safety aspects, let's quickly understand what humidifiers and bacteria killers are. Humidifiers are devices that increase the moisture level in the air, helping to alleviate dryness in the environment. They are commonly used to combat dry skin, relieve congestion, and create a more comfortable living space. On the other hand, bacteria killers are products designed to eliminate or inhibit the growth of bacteria, fungi, or other microorganisms in the air or on surfaces.
Potential risks to children and pets.
Now, let's address the main concern: the potential risks associated with using a humidifier bacteria killer around children and pets. While humidifiers themselves are generally safe, there are a few considerations to keep in mind when it comes to children and pets. Firstly, using a humidifier in an excessively humid environment can promote the growth of mold and mildew, which can pose health risks to everyone, including children and pets. Secondly, improper maintenance of the humidifier, such as not cleaning it regularly, can lead to the accumulation of bacteria or other harmful substances. When it comes to bacteria killers, it's important to note that many of these products contain chemicals or substances that may be harmful if ingested or if there is prolonged exposure. Children, especially infants, and pets are more susceptible to accidental ingestion or exposure due to their curious nature. Additionally, some bacteria killers release fumes or residues that may irritate the respiratory systems of children and pets, causing discomfort or potential health issues.
Ensuring safety with humidifiers and bacteria killers.
To ensure the safety of children and pets when using a humidifier bacteria killer, it's crucial to follow some essential guidelines. 1. Read and follow the manufacturer's instructions. Carefully read and understand the instructions provided by the manufacturer for both the humidifier and the bacteria killer. Adhere to their guidelines regarding usage, maintenance, and safety precautions. 2. Choose child and pet-friendly products. Look for humidifiers and bacteria killers that are specifically labeled as safe for use around children and pets. These products are usually formulated with non-toxic ingredients and have undergone safety testing. 3. Maintain proper humidity levels. Avoid excessive humidity levels by using a hygrometer to monitor the humidity in the room. Aim for a humidity range between 30% and 50% to prevent the growth of mold and mildew while maintaining a comfortable environment. 4. Clean and maintain the humidifier regularly. Proper maintenance is essential to prevent the buildup of bacteria or other harmful substances. Clean the humidifier according to the manufacturer's instructions and replace filters or other components as recommended. 5. Keep children and pets away from the humidifier. Place the humidifier in an area that is out of reach of children and pets. This helps minimize the risk of accidental ingestion or exposure to any chemicals or substances used in the humidifier or bacteria killer. In conclusion, when using a humidifier bacteria killer around children and pets, it's crucial to prioritize safety. While humidifiers themselves are generally safe, it's important to consider the potential risks associated with excessive humidity and improper maintenance. Additionally, bacteria killers may contain chemicals or substances that can be harmful if ingested or exposed.